What's up, guys? This is Hunter with Expat Income. Today I'm going to be looking at a Medellin apartment investment. So guys, make sure you stick around to the end. I'm going to tell you the value of the apartment and how much rent we're going to get for it afterward. But right now I'm going to show you around the apartment just to show you some of the things that we're doing or what you can see that it looks like, right? And kind of tell you a little bit about the process of fixing up and renting an apartment in Medellin, Colombia. So yeah, this is in Estrato 4 area, and in Colombia they have like 1 through 6 zones that kind of dictates like how quality the zone is. So yeah, 6 is the best. So this is a zone 4. So it's pretty decent. The area is relatively safe. There's a lot of convenience around the area, little restaurants. Nice little markets, little tiendas to get fresh fruit, produce and stuff like that, good fresh meats. So yeah, it's a pretty decent area. In this apartment, we are obviously, if you've maybe seen already, we've already started the renovations. So one of the things we're doing is we're getting all the walls repainted. You can see they're pretty dirty, definitely need some work. We also got the floor. We're not fixing anything too dramatic with the floor, but we got it polished, we got it buffed to make it look more shiny, make it look better. We're redoing the whole kitchen area here. It was had a lot of old stuff there, probably about 30-year-old apartment. So yeah, kitchen was definitely in need of a remodel. Yeah, this is the kitchen area. This one also comes with a nice little storage area, a bathroom here. Always filled with a lot of the old stuff, but yeah, the bathroom, a little bathroom here next to the kitchen. Show you guys the rest of it. So yeah, right now we have like one main contractor coming in here to do the majority of the work, and then we have some specialized workers also coming in to do little projects here and there. But the main contractor cost, we would pay him around 80 mil per day, which in US dollars is about $20. So this is one of the rooms, pretty small. 1 room, 2 room, 3 room, 4 room. So yeah, the four room, 3 bathroom. This is another bathroom here that they're completely renovating. 3 bathroom apartment. And yeah, all 3 of the bathrooms have showers, so they're full bathrooms. There's another room, and here's one of the bathrooms almost done being renovated here. Actually, don't know. Does this light work?
Yeah.
It is? No, light doesn't work. Sorry, guys. Light doesn't work, but yeah, the bathroom is coming along pretty nicely. Renovations there. Happy with that. And another small room here. A lot of these places do come with pools. I'll show you guys the downstairs, the community area of this place. But yeah, this is not part of this apartment complex, but if you are looking for a place with a pool, it is available to you very often here in Medellin, Colombia. So yeah, this apartment complex also comes with a porteria, which is somebody that kind of guards the gate. So it's a private community area. I'll go downstairs and show you guys the shared area, but from here, this is what it looks like. So I'll take you guys down there now. Here is the little courtyard area that everybody shares. It's good if you have dogs, take your dogs out here. Basketball rims are pretty jacked, so those can't be used really, but yeah, it's kind of nice, little shared area. They have like the doggy bag thing over there. This is a nice area to sit, and they used to have a playground here. It looks like it's being renovated or something maybe, but yeah. And then yeah, over there in the front, like I was saying, is the porteria, and everybody in the complex pays like a management fee each month, just for the upkeep of this courtyard area here, as well as the fees, the salary for the porteria to guard the door, receive packages and whatnot like that. So yeah, and as promised, yeah, this apartment, after we get done renovating it, has a value of 450 million Colombian pesos. A little windy here from these stairs, which is a lot, about 115,000 US dollars. And then in this area, the kind of rent we can get for that is about 2 million per month. So it comes out to about $500 US per month. So yeah, apartments aren't too expensive compared to other places. 4-bedroom, 3-bath apartment for $115,000 in a relatively nice area, a decent area, the Estrato 4, so kind of in the middle there. And yeah, you get $500 in rent for that. So yeah, that's an apartment investment in Medellin, Colombia, just for example. If you come here, one tip definitely would be to be able to speak Spanish. Definitely need to be able to communicate well, to get contractors, get people to manage the property for you if you want to do that, and find good, real estate deals where you're not going to get gringo price. So, yep, there you go, guys. If you have any questions about anything in the process, maybe I can help you out with, leave them in the description below. If you like the video, drop a like, subscribe if you want more content like this. Peace.